are here at day 4 of our Feeling Fab 5-Day Pilates Challenge. Today is all about resetting, breathing, and realigning. We're going to start seated today. Both knees reaching out in front of you, knees soft, and your hands are outside of your legs. Just taking a deep breath in here. Imagine that big beach ball on your lap once again, and you're going to exhale round over your legs, breathing in, stretching and breathing wide into the middle of your back. Inhaling to stay here, and exhale, gently peeling all the way up, stacking through your spine again. Inhale. Exhale, rounding forward, reaching over your thighs, breathing wide, expanding the back band of your bra, and peeling all the way up. Let's do one more. Exhale, rounding forward, breathing in, and gently peeling all the way up. Taking your left hand across to your right knee, gently rotating through your spine, thinking about lifting up and opening through your heart, and coming back around to the center. Right hand to your left knee, rotating through your spine, just really easy and gentle. And back around to the front. Let's do one more on each side. Opening through your chest as you look up and twist through each vertebra. And center into the other side. And coming back to the middle. Holding onto the back of your thighs, you're rolling all the way down to the mat. Exhale, low abs are pulling in, lifting up, lengthening through your spine here. And exhale, gently rolling all the way back down. Inhale. Exhale, peeling up one bone at a time. And gently rolling all the way down. Last time. Exhale, peeling up. Reaching both arms over your heads. Think about stretching your fingertips and your knees towards opposite walls, creating space between each bone through your back. And keep that space as you gently roll all the way down to the floor, one bone at a time. Let's do one more of those. They feel good. Exhale, peeling up. Stretching your knees and your fingers towards opposite directions. Keep stretching like Gumby as you roll all the way down to the mat, one bone at a time. Floating your arms down by your sides. Gently exhaling, feeling your abdominals hug in toward your center. And we're floating one leg up to tabletop and then the other. Bottom ribs heavy on the mat as you exhale, tapping one foot towards the floor. And inhale, lifting up. And exhale, tapping down and lift. Keep hugging your abdominals towards your midline and lift and tap and up. And exhale down and lift and down and lift. Once more on each leg. Lifting both legs up, hugging those legs in, bottom ribs melting into the floor as you tap both legs down and both legs lift. Exhale, tapping down and lifting up. Let's do two more. And last one. Lowering both legs gently towards the mat. Bringing both hands behind your head. Elbows lifting slightly off the floor as you exhale. Curl, lifting your head, neck, and shoulders off the mat. Looking between both knees. And inhale, lengthening down. Exhale. And inhale down. Exhale, 3. Exhale, 4. And 5. Exhale, 6. Good. Exhale, 7. And last one for 8. Alrighty. Bringing your right leg up to tabletop. You're twisting left shoulder towards your right knee. Exhale, lift and rotate. Inhale, lengthen that leg all the way out. Exhale, 2. And inhale. And 3. Exhale, 4. Good. And 5. Exhale, 6. And 7. one last time. Exhaling for 8. And switching legs. Left leg up to tabletop. Exhale, cross. Inhale, reaching open. And 2. And out. 3. Exhale, 4. And 5. Good. Exhale, 6. Exhale, 7. And last time for 8. Placing that foot down on the mat. Bringing both legs up to tabletop one more time. Abdominals are hugging in. Hands behind your head once more. Curling your head, neck, and shoulders off the mat. I want you looking through those knees as you reach one leg all the way up. And exhale, switch. And exhale, reach. And reach. If your neck is getting tired, you can always lower your head down towards the mat and keep moving those legs. And out, bringing your legs in, adding the upper body. Exhale, lift and twist. Inhale, come back to the center. Armpit rotates towards your knee. And twist, and in, and cross, and in. And cross, and in. 4 more. And 2, and last one. Bringing your head down, hugging your knees into your chest. Breathing here for a moment. Using your legs to help you roll to your side and sit all the way up. Let's go into our half roll back. Both knees bent, feet flat on the mat, sitting up nice and tall. Your arms are reaching out in front of you. As you exhale, scoop, tuck your pelvis under. You're rolling halfway to the mat. And then inhale, lifting up. Exhale, scoop, rolling down like you're pressing the tag of your pants into the mat. And inhale, lift. Keeping your head high as you roll back. And inhale, lift. And rolling down. And up one more time, rolling down, stay there, bringing your arms into a circle, exhale, rotating, scooping through those low abdominals, belly button toward your heart, and in, and twist, and in. One more time on each side. Good, sitting all the way up. You are lying down on your side, bending both knees, and you're going to pillow your head in your bottom arm. I want you to think about your head, shoulders, and hips all being in one long line, and you're reaching your top arm out in front of you. Inhale, reaching this arm up to the ceiling. Exhale, keep looking at your hand as you exhale and rotate behind you, keeping your hip bones facing forward. Breathing in here. And exhale, coming all the way around to the front. Inhale, lifting your arm up to the ceiling. Exhale, looking at your hand as you rotate behind you, reaching your arm gently away from you. And exhale, coming back around one more time. Inhale, lifting up. Exhale, rotating. Inhale. And exhale all the way around to the front. All right, I'm gonna flip over, but you guys can roll if that's easier for you. All right, bottom arm tucked underneath you to pillow your head. Head, shoulders, and hips all stacked and reaching your top arm in front of you. Inhale, lifting up. Exhale, following your hand as you rotate, keeping both hips facing forward. And exhale, coming all the way around to the front. Inhale, lifting that arm up. Exhale, rotating, opening through your spine. Exhale, coming around to the front. One more. Inhale, lifting up. Exhale, rotating, open, breathing in. And exhale, coming around to the front. Let's come up to our hands and knees in a quadruped position. As always, shoulders over your wrists, hips over your knees, and we're going into a cat and cow. Exhale, rounding through your spine, dropping your head and tailbone to the floor, lifting these bottom ribs up to the ceiling. And then you're lengthening, coming all the way through your straight line into a little bit of an arch. Think about opening your heart through your hands and gently lengthening through the back of your neck. Exhale, abs pull in, dropping your head and tailbone to the mat, rounding through your spine, breathing in, and lengthening through your straight line into a small arch. Your abs are still lifting, still supporting you. And exhale, rounding through your spine again. And reaching through your straight line into that nice arch. One more time here. Exhale, rounding through your spine, breathing in. And reaching all the way along to that arch. Coming back to your straight line, you're bringing one hand underneath your forehead. That hand is glued to your forehead. You're going to exhale and rotate through your spine, opening through your chest. And inhale, return, come back to the front. Exhale, pressing into your knee as you twist. And return. One more time, exhale. And returning down. Let's switch arms. Opposite hand underneath your forehead. Exhale, rotating, lengthening. And returning down. And exhale, twisting, growing taller through your spine. And down. One more. And returning down. Gently placing your hips back to your heels in a child's pose. Breathing into your lungs. One last deep breath. And gently rolling all the way up. Thank you so very much for joining me for day 4. I will see you for our final day of our challenge tomorrow, day 5, for a total body Pilates workout.